How to see who shared my post on Instagram. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, to see post insights, you need a professional account. Make sure that you are using a creator or business account. Now all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, then navigate to your profile section. Now once we're on a profile, tap on the photo you want to see or post you want to see the shared count of. Then tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of the photo. And once you tap on it, you can see Insights option available there. Simply tap on it. Now look for the paper plane icon. This shows how many people shared your post to the story or DMs. You will see something like 3 shares means your post was shared 3 times. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.